but I need a strong first mate.
Good morning, everyone. Very exciting day ahead. Eric will be a captain today. The sulfur baths, snorkeling, lunch, seeing the pitons. It's just a full day in store. Should be a very exciting, long day ahead. Looking forward to it. Let's rock and roll. We're on a boat.
We drive the boat.
You excited?
Yeah. Are you excited?
I am. Aye, Captain.
But I need a strong first mate.
We're back from Captain for a day. Let me recap what we did. So after lunch, we went and drove to like a different resort. I forget what it's called, but they had like all these rocks. So we snorkeled there for like 20 minutes and then we headed back. And so now we're back at the resort. We're showered. I got minimal sunburn, literally just my chest, and it's not that bad. Eric, on the other hand, we are doing sunburn surgery. Boy is burnt.
And I'm burnt.
But he has me. I am the sunburn expert. So we're gonna fix him up real good. We're gonna order room service for dinner. Dinner is served. All right, everyone. That concludes day 5, I think. Captain for a day. Excellent excursion. It does quite literally kick your ass, though. We are so tired. So it's time for bed because tomorrow's our last full day, and we have some fun stuff planned for tomorrow.
For our last day.
Don't make me leave. Don't make me get on that godforsaken shuttle. All right. See you tomorrow. Guys, it's the last day. No. But we're gonna have a really fun day. We're gonna go get some breakfast. Last time getting that really good bacon. Eric, last day, how you feeling?
Tired and sad.
And sad, very sad. I'm gonna miss this view. I wish I could have breakfast here every morning of my life. Don't make me leave.
But tonight, Friday, JoJo Siwa, Betty Davis Eyes releases tonight.
No. Thank you. yogurt, granola, berry compote, banana compote, walnuts, granola, and a little bit of toasted coconut. We spent the time packing after breakfast, getting our life together, so that way we can enjoy the rest of the day.
Yay!
And we will start with a lovely, relaxing couples massage.
Oh, yeah.
And after that, it's just enjoying the resort. Beach, pool, reading, Miami Vices, everything. All right, Eric, you ready to get massaged? You ready for ultimate relaxation?
I'm ready for them to penetrate deep into my muscles.
Okay, yes. All tens. So the experience starts, we did the sense of love massage. So when it starts, you get to pick a scent. They have three scents to pick from, and then you each get to pick your favorite scent. So Eric picked the Signature Island Essence scent, and it's a massage oil candle, so it's not regular wax. So when it gets all melty, you can actually pour it on yourself and use it as massage oil. My favorite was the Sea Breeze, Caribbean Sea Breeze one. It just smells so good. And then when the massage starts, you lay face down, and then they take your lit candle and they place it underneath you, and you have to breathe, do 3 deep breaths.
I don't know if this is part of the bid or not, but she literally looks at my back and goes, "Oh, sir, you have dehydrated skin."
Which, Eric, you never moisturize. I don't think it was for the bit. I think he was being honest. We took home some goodies because we're suckers.
Yeah.
We got the dry oil body moisturizer, and then we got the papaya pineapple salt scrub. So those are the goodies that we got. And now I think we're gonna go get some lunch.
Yeah.
Then we have some errands to do. We have to go to Club Sandals to ask about checkout and how that works tomorrow. We have to go to the gift shop, and then we also just want to go enjoy the resort. So let's go have some lunch. Miami Vices. So a Miami Vice is apparently literally, if you're a Disney person, the pina colada.
Pina colada. Cheese.
That's a pina colada. It's the last time we have our favorite meal. Last bite of our favorite meal.
Last bite of the jerk chicken.
Gotta get some coleslaw on it.
Yeah, the coleslaw's good.
Coleslaw is really good. Damn. I'm gonna be thinking about this chicken in my dreams. This was Neptune's jerk chicken. Over and out. We're back at the pool. They were just playing all the songs from Grease because they knew who they were dealing with. I liked it better when they were playing Grease, when the theater girl goes on her honeymoon. Yeah. Hey, come on, play the show tunes. Come on, play Hairspray. Our friend is back. Oh, you're so cute. Hi. Oh, no. It's our very last night. It's our last dinner at the resort. No! We're going to the pavilion.
Fit checks?
Last fit check of the trip.
Oh yeah. This may look familiar if you saw the candlelight dinner.
Lizzie McGuire, you are an outfit repeater. came back to the room after dinner and decided to chill in the soaking tub. Just to kind of round off the trip, spend it together, relaxing. That concludes the Honeymoon St. Lucia trip. 10 out of 10 experience. Would come again. Will come again. If you watched all of these videos, thank you for watching them.
Eric, Danielle, appreciate the support.
We are our biggest fans. Adios.
And good night.
Good night. This is Danielle and Eric
Signing off.
signing off, Honeymoon edition.